All right, so today is the primary 3 math lesson. Yes, how is everybody today? All right, so I believe most of you already see my videos a couple of times. All right, so you will know who I am. So let's not talk about me too much. Let's just go into our lesson today. Hello, Ilong. Nice to have you here with us. All right, so usually for our lesson, right, we will always start off with the previous week homework. All right, so 2 weeks ago, I gave the class one question as homework. All right, very simple sushi question like this. All right, so maybe the rest of the student, maybe this is the first time seeing it. The last lesson we were doing money, money, money. It's so funny. Okay. Yeah, so sorry, my lesson, a lot of singing and a lot of dancing one, okay? Y'all just be patient with me, okay? All right, so we have Evan coming in. We also have Wen-Xing coming in. All right, so maybe the rest of you, can you just take a look at this question and see whether you can get me the answer? All right. Whoa, Shiloh, your answer is correct. All right, once you can get the answer, right, go to the chat and key in the answer, please. Once you get the answer, go to the chat and key the answer. Hello, Evan. All right, so this was 2 weeks ago, the homework, just one question only. And we were talking about money, money, money. All right, so yes, Shiloh got the answer. The rest, can you please put your entry into the chat, please? Can you understand the question? All right, so it's like you and me, all right, and maybe another friend of ours. We went to the Japanese restaurant to have a sushi. So they have this conveyor belt. The conveyor belt carries some sushi lah, but they comes in different colored plates. All right, but this time around, it's not colored plates. It's actually the shape of the plates are different. So we have the oval shape, the rectangular, the triangular shape, and also the rectangular shape. All right. So if you go and take the triangular plate, alamak, $2.50. That was the most expensive. I think this is 2 pieces of what? Sashimi. All right, 2 pieces of sashimi. All right, the one that's most expensive one. The one that's cheapest, I believe, is like the sushi with the egg on top one. All right, I don't know what is that called. Correct or not? I don't know you all eat before or not. Okay, never mind. All right, so how much did they pay altogether? How much did they pay? So what do we know? We know that the rectangular plate, right, they bought 3 of this one times 3. All right. Wait, let me get Pom-Pom to come in first. All right, how about the oval plate? Oval plate, they bought how many? Oval plate, they bought 5 of it. Oh, okay. Close to $2 each. And the triangular plate, the most expensive one, they bought 6 of it. Can you see or not? So you're supposed to find how much did they spend all together. All together. All right. Hi, Evan. Hi, I saw your post. Pom-Pom, can I get you to on your video, please? I know you just come in, all right? Just take your time to settle down a bit. All right, so the rest of you, do you know how to get the answer? Right, this was 2 weeks ago, the homework. Why did I say 2 weeks ago? Is simply because last week, right, is 88 tuitions break. So there's 1 week of holiday in a way. All right. So down here, anyone else? I only got Shiloh's answer. All right, so if maybe I can get another 2 more answers from the group, that would be great. All right, go to the chat and key the answer. Can? All right, but of course, along the way, I will not be wasting time. I will want to do out the steps also. All right, so $1.40 times 3 is actually like this. All right. You do a multiplication. It's like the same step, 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 4 is a 12. 12. 3 times 1 is a 3 plus 1 is a $4. And look at the decimal point. Can you see the decimal point must be in line? So the decimal point must be down here also. Okay, can understand? Okay, right? All right. Yes, Pom-Pom, $4.20 is correct, but do you have the answer for the whole thing? Even you do not have this is because this was the last week's homework. Sorry, the 2 weeks ago, the homework. Don't worry about it. All right. So sometime in class, I always comes out with some extra question one. All right. So not all the question you will have. Don't worry about it. Can? So if you can participate with me in class now, will be great. All right, don't stress over it too much. All right, how about the oval plates? Come on, how about the oval plates? The green color, huh? So $1.90, how many do I buy? I bought 5 of these oval plates. Okay, so children, if there's anything you want to say, right, you can actually go to the chat and type it out. All right, I'll be able to see. Yes, Vaishnavi, you got it right. Thank you. All right, 2 answers already. One from Shiloh, one from Vaishnavi, and both of them got it right. Thank you so much. All right, can write this on a paper? Yes, yes. All right, you can do whatever you can do on the worksheet that you have. If you printed out the worksheet, you can do it inside your exercise book also can. All right, so all these be flexible. All right, so my advice to you children is to have a primary 3 math exercise book. Then you can put in all the juicy questions. All right, you can put in all the juicy workings also and the model diagrams. All right, you can even draw a sketch about me also can. Hello, Shanice. Oh, I love her name, Shanice. You know why? Because I got one sister called Bernice. Bernice and Shanice is supposed to be good friends because we got a nice word behind. Hello, Shanice. All right. So actually we are starting on this homework from 2 weeks ago. So if you can just look at the question. All right. If you know the answer, can you please go to the chat and type in the final answer for me? All right. So some of you don't know where's the chat. I'm going to say hello to everybody on the chat. All right. So there's something blinking. That's called a chat. You can actually go there to type in. Can? So let me continue with this question. All right. 5 plates means times 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 9, 45. The 4 put on top. 5 times 1 is a 5 plus 4 is a 9. And the decimal must be at the same place. Woo! All right. Sorry, my lesson a bit got rhythm one. So you all try to follow with my beat, okay? All right. It's not the Blackpink or BTS beat lah. All right. It's not as fast beat lah. All right, but it's still a beat, right? Come on. Okay, the last one, All right, the last one. Hello, Shanice, I see you. Hello, Elong. Hello, Avon. Yes, yes, yes. Hello, Pom Pom. Okay, so the last one. How do you find a triangular plate? Same thing. They eat 6 triangular plate. Whew, must be quite rich. Eat the sashimi. 6 times 0 is a 0. 6 times 5, 30. The 0 put here and the 3 put on top. 6 times 2, 12 plus 3 is a 15. Money, money, money. Decimal point. Okay. All right. Yes, Pom Pom. Yes, 3% already. Thank you so much. All right. So Shiloh, Pom Pom, and also Vanishnavi came back with the answer, and the answer is correct. Just to let you know, the answer is $28.70. Thank you, ladies. Thank you so much. All right. So these are my working. These are my workings. All right. So they want to find the total saving. All right. All together means what? Togetherly. Huh? Sure. Got this word called togetherly. Don't have. All right. Don't tell your English teacher, okay? There's no such word as togetherly. All right. So $4.20 plus what? $9.50 plus $15. Yeah, the $15, can you see not? Sure, cannot like this put. Cannot. How come? Because the decimal look not in line. Correct. You are right. All right. So don't put it like that. All right. The decimal must be in line. Can you see or not? So my advice to you, right, children, is to always put the bigger number on top, like $15 like that. Can you see? Then the rest you just follow down. $4.20. Remember the decimal must be in line. $9.50. Can? Okay. So what do I mean by the decimal must be in the same line? It means this. Check this out. Can you see this portion here? Okay, the must be in line. Can you see? That's very important, children. All right, so 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 2 is a 7. 9 plus 4 is a 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 5 is a 18. Put a 1 on top. That's why it's $28.70. All right, that's how the 3 of them got the answer. Yeah, togetherly, this word doesn't exist. Even don't sabo me. I already told you it's not exist. Yes, Shi-En. I saw your answer, so thank you so much. Thank you. Shanice, for the lesson, I will need you to on your video. All right, so if you don't mind, can you please turn on your video? Can? Thank you so much. All right, so children, if you need to go to the little girl's room or little boy's room, which is the toilet, all right? So can you please go to the toilet, all right, and come back quickly? Can? All right, don't have to tell me. Right? Because if everybody say, I go toilet, you also make me want to go toilet. Yeah. Correct. Do you know that we animals, we humans, right, are like animals? We always like to follow people one. All right. So everybody go toilet, I also want to go toilet. So don't distract me, can? Yeah. So if you go toilet, please quickly come back from the toilet to listen to the lesson. Yes, Shiloh?
Why you can't hold it anymore? Like your pee.
Before I start the lesson, I go toilet already.
Yeah,
So
but then
I
what
can
you
go.
forgot?
Then that will be troublesome lah. But I will not lah. I will not forget because precious time spent with you. There's all this time is very precious. So I don't dare to go toilet one. All right. But if you all start to go toilet, it makes me want to go toilet. So that is bad. All right. So don't do that to me. Pee in my pants. Don't do that lah. Yes, Ilong, you got something to say? You can unmute yourself.
But if we all go toilet, then without telling you, you also see nobody, so you also will go.
No, I will not do that. You all don't sabo me lah. All right. You all don't all go together lah. Huh? I know that the house all different. That's why you all got different toilet lah. I know. Right. But don't do that, can? Or if not, I'll feel so lonely. All right. We have another student coming in, Isabella. All right. So children, is this done? All right. So this is done. We'll go into today's worksheet 23 officially. Can? So actually, as you can see, right, the reason for this homework is also to buy time, right? Because there might be some students joining us a bit late and all this. Some of them rush home from school and all this. It's very stressful for them already, right? So that's the reason why we have one or two questions like this beforehand, so that the students can join us. Hello, Isabella. All right. So moving on. Let's go into worksheet 23. All right, today. Okay, so for every worksheet, right, children, right, there's something called a reference number. Like this lesson is lesson 25. So you are actually supposed to go to the e-learning platform, all right, to go and watch lesson 25. All right, if you don't know there's an e-learning platform, ayo, my goodness, all right, you're supposed to actually look for the lesson first. Watch it. After you watch it, you have this knowledge, then you come for a lesson. That will be better. All right. Yes, today got a lot of people. Correct. You're right, Avon. All right. So if you have some urgent thing you want to say, right, you can actually go to the chat and you can just type it down there and I will see your message. Okay. I will see your secret message to me. Okay, come. So today, right, we are not going to do a new topic. All right. We are not going to do a new topic. This topic is actually being covered the previous term. All right. We do this in term 2. It's called mass, length, and volume, which is very, very important. All right, which is very important. All right, because primary 3, you need to know at least what's the mass, like how heavy that person is. All right, for me, I'm like 95 kg. So heavy. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm like a dinosaur. So you never see me standing up. Yeah, so if you see me standing up, right, oh my goodness, I'm huge, man. So the length is like my height. Okay, a height is considered a length or so. How tall am I? I'm about 175 centimeter. All right, so you must know what's the meaning between centimeter and meter. If somebody tell you that I'm 175 meter, wow, that is very long, 175 meter is like a giant, All right, how am I going to balance myself? Oh no. All right, and something called volume. Volume means the capacity. All right, it's mainly on how to find the volume of a cube or what is the volume of water in a cylinder and all this. All right, very good. Okay, so actually this topic has been covered in the last term. So we are just doing a topical revision. Sure, my school haven't learned yet. I know. I'm so sorry, children. All right, we are not able to cater to every school because every one of you are from different schools, you see. So different schools, your teacher will be doing different things now. All right, but don't worry. We'll slow it down a little bit. All right, so that most of you can catch up. And the topic is quite okay one. Don't worry. Primary 3 is a very nice year to learn math. I love primary 3. All right, so primary 3 you must cultivate this love. My Prince Charming. Oh, my princess. Sorry, princess in math. Prince Charming in math. Right, you must cultivate this loving. You must look
You're
into
so dramatic.
You must look into the eyes of math and say, I love math.
You can use calculator.
Okay, so anyway, primary 3 must try to love math. Then primary 4, right? We'll be doing more exciting question so that you can bridge the gap to primary 5. Because primary 4 to primary 5, the gap is very large one. It's very scary one. Right? That's why you must try